How to change resolution in darkest days. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to change the screen resolution, first of all launch open Darkest Days game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the tablet icon at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click the gear button from the bottom and inside the gear tab or the settings menu, go to graphics. Under Graphics, scroll down to Resolution or Screen Resolution. To change the screen resolution, you can choose between low, normal, high, or device max. Now, if you have a high-performing device, you can go to high or device max option for best resolution out there. But if your device keeps heating up and lagging, then you might want to go and opt out for low or normal. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your screen resolution in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.